Did you know you can use Telegram without your phone? Most people stick to the app, but there's actually a web version that is just as powerful, especially if you're on your computer most of the time. In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use Telegram web step by step. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Go to your Telegram app. Tap on Settings on the bottom menu. Tap on Devices. Tap on Link Desktop Device. Then on your computer, open a web browser and go to web.telegram.org to access the Telegram web version. Here, a QR code will load on your screen, and using the active QR code scanner on your phone, place the scanner over the QR code on your web and your chats will be loaded onto your web browser. Once you're done with using the Telegram web, it is always a good practice to preserve your privacy and protect your security. And you can terminate the session by going back to your phone and look for the active session. Swipe left and tap on Terminate. Tap on Terminate Session. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye bye.